All right, good morning. Good morning. Treasure Coast Scrapper, early morning. It's a beautiful day. Let's get started. Let's go find something on the curb. All right, I'm hoping everybody's good. I'm good. Let's go. All right, good morning. We are on our route. Let's start, and we already see something here. Let's see what we got. Whole bunch of stuff. This is for sale. Everything. Oh, no, that's for sale. Nope, that's not garbage. Let's go. First thing, barbecue grill. We're gonna get us a barbecue grill. What was that cartoon? Cartoon Tom and Jerry. Barbecue cat. Barbecue mouse. All right. Feeling good this morning. No pains. Everything is good. Let's get this grill. Hold on. There's some stuff in here. Let's get the other one. Not even a mess. There we go. All right, let's see something, because it feels like it's aluminum, and I already have one at home. It is aluminum. All right. So we'll keep that. That's cast. Oops, sorry for the noise. Cast aluminum. Let's get rid of this. I already had a couple of things on here. A bike that I got, a door, that sewing machine from the last video, I think. And yeah, just a couple of things. All right, let's go up with it. Hey, magnet cup holder. Nothing wrong with that. Let's just put it in there for right now. O'Reilly. O'Reilly, O'Reilly. All right, let's continue. Let's keep going. Bright and early. Been trying to catch the sunrise, but it's hiding. All right, there it is. There it is. Beautiful. It's hiding behind the bushes, but it's there. It's there. All right. There's a door here. An aluminum door. We'll leave it on there. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It wants to make a mess. No, 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 no. I don't know if I'm going to regret all these doors in here. You know what? Let's fix this barbecue right now. Come on. There we go. That's not going anywhere. Door's aluminum. Hey, we're picking up some aluminum today. I'm stashing it at home. New buildings everywhere. Remodeling. All right, let's go. Stop here. Stay still. Oh my goodness. Heavy chair. Just put it in there for right now. Let's go. Time's a wasting, like they say. To the next. We got our first lawnmower. This is our first lawnmower. We never had a lawnmower. So, let's get our first lawnmower. Okay. I have to do something with that. I need a lawnmower. Oh, it looks like it's broken. It's broken. Find a good lawnmower for the house. It's not gonna work. It's definitely broken. All right. Come on, in there. There you go. This chair don't look too bad. I guess can't keep everything you grab. Come on. There we go. All right, let's go. Next, let's roll. We got ourselves another bike. Let's see where we can put it so it's not in the way. I don't want nothing to be in the way. Go right in there. One of these speed bikes. Lightweight. But anyway, it's something. Come on, guy. Come on. Straighten out. There you go. Got a lot of dead space. No, let's go. What we got here?
Those trash bags are kind of weak because they're for the dogs.
No problem, no problem. That's fine. Have a good day. Let's get the cutter. Cut the string. Get the string out of there. And it just flagged me down for a hot water heater. So we're gonna back up. Put it in the truck.
That was perfect timing. I just walked out.
I come out through here once in a while. We'll dump it right in there. It's no problem.
Yeah, I got all the water out of it. It was heavy.
All right.
Today. Perfect timing. I love it. I just walked out. I said, I know he's scrapping.
Yeah, I come through here. There's always something.
There's always shit around.
Thank you, boss man. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, that was a good. He flagged me down. Had a water heater. Got a mess in the back of the truck, but anyway, we'll have to fix that. What do you got there? Nothing. All right, let's continue. I'm doing a lot of roofs. A lot of roofing. Guess the hurricane messed up a whole bunch of stuff. All right, let's continue. It's a beautiful view to wake up to in the morning. Oh man, nice. Every time I come here, I have to film this part. I have to. There's no other way around it. I have to film it. Especially with these big houses here. Wow. Nice. All right, let's go. Pull into something here. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, these pieces are. I don't want no glass. That glass is gonna be terrible. Morning. Take some screens though. Well, finding a lot of aluminum today. And the whiffer. And no whiffer, nothing. Anything else? What is that? Yeah, look at that. Wire brush. Morning. All right. Got us another bag. All right, let's go. We're gonna get out of here. We're done here. And I'm gonna fix the stuff. Let's fix the load here in this little area. And we'll go ahead and continue. Continue over on the other side. All right. Valve off. I see that everybody takes them off and they say it's not copper. What is the other one called? Brass, is it? I want to say brass. So I'll take it off. It doesn't hurt any. Let's take it off. Yeah, brass. All right, let's fix all this up. All right, all pushed in there. Got a little bit of space, some dead space here, but a lot of this stuff is staying. All right, let's go. Scrapping with this view. Oh my goodness, sorry if there's a lot of noise. I just wanted to share this with you. Going over the bridge here. Beautiful. In here. I guess there's another scrapper. Down there through the window or through the glass. Another scrapper. There's nothing there though. But anyway, if you can get in the dumpster, more power to them. Let's go. Take a look at this one. See if there's something on here. Nothing here. All right, let's go. Take a look here. A lot of PVC. A lot of PVC. All right, let's go. Been at it for about 45 minutes, an hour. Yeah, maybe about an hour. We picked up some stuff. Not a lot, but we picked up something. So we're gonna go to a different section. There's some houses back here that I went to last week before. I'm not sure. So let's go. Let's go get some more. Let's stop here. There's a chair. I think it's a chair. Yeah, it's metal. No problem. We'll take a chair. We'll take a chair. Yes, we will. All right, let's go. Don't hold it anymore. Oof. Let's see what's in this dumpster. Nothing but grass. Grass, 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 grass everywhere. Grass, grass. It's a couple of things here. Let's grab them. We're here. Let's grab them. Let's go get our pick. Stop to use the restroom. Might as well grab it. I mean, well, it's empty, but still. It's gonna fall. How you doing, boss man?
Good, yeah.
All right. Yeah. Fell and I don't have the other one. All right, let's go. It fell. Let's continue. Nothing else. Just pulled me over. Say he got a bike or something that wants to throw away. So we'll see what he got. Said over here it's good. The garbage can is good over here. So we got some things, some aluminum that we have to process. Let's see where we can put this chair. Somewhere where it don't fall. Maybe back here. Yeah. Everything wants to give me a hard time today. Well, not today. Almost every day. All right, boss. Thank you. Yeah, we'll put it in there. No, I'll put it on the back. Thank you.
All right,
yeah, thanks.
That's a good bag. I had the same one there. The same bag. I was saving it for the parts.
For parts.
But it's okay. I mean, I don't gonna need it.
Yeah.
It's an automatic transmission back.
Oh, look at that. All right, boss man. Thanks, man.
Welcome, man. There is the other one there. There's another one there.
No, I didn't see it. I'll go take a look now.
Yeah, I don't know, broken or something over there.
Oh, yeah. I see it now.
Yep.
All right, let's put it in here. That's good. This chair don't look too comfortable here. Let's just leave it right there for right now. Let's go get that other bike he's pointed at. All right, let's go. I've never been back here, so it's always good to check out different areas. Oh, the guy's gonna go get it for me. Unbelievable. There are good people. Good people in this world. Let's get it. Yeah.
Somebody keep my car.
They don't care, man.
They keep my car. You see?
You try to.
Over there on the other side. They just because somebody don't like to see me. I clean my car every day, trying to take care. And this is what I do, you know?
Just jealous, man. That's all it is.
Yep. Then after this, I start having bad luck. After this, I start having bad luck. Somebody gone in reverse.
Back there.
Touched me here. And then he was one right there in Dollar Tree. So the guy was behind me.
Like they say, after that first scratch, all the other ones come faster.
After this, couple of things. After this, great.
Yeah.
I don't do nothing. The only thing that I do wrong is clean my car every day.
Thank you, boss man. Hey,
you're welcome, man.
like I said, I always come around here, but I come a little earlier. I got the map, and I know there's some stuff.
If I see good stuff on Monday, you say Monday around this time?
Yeah, Monday around this time, and Monday and Thursday.
Yeah, if I see like bags or
TVs, whatever, it don't matter.
Copper or whatever, I will save it for you, and then I put it on the porch for you. And if I see you, then I give it to you, whatever, you know.
I'll see your car and I'll look for you.
Car, you go and look for me, yeah.
Not a problem. Have a good one.
Good luck, man.
All right. Let's go. He said he used to do it in Boston. Made good money. All right, let's go. Here at the scrapyard. We don't have to untie anything. Everything's good. So we'll just go to the scale and see what they say. Oh, wrong gear. All right, let's go. See what they're talking about over here. We got to keep a couple of pieces that have aluminum in it, so we'll go forward. All right, wait for the green light. And we're on our way. All right. What's going on, Jose?
Hey.
All right, no traffic today, and it's clean. Whoa. All right, sounds good. Let's go. Let's get all this stuff out of here. All right. Yes. Like I said, we don't have to untie anything. Everything is loose. There you go. This is one of the fun part. Making noise. Oh, not hitting my head though. All right. I'm gonna keep the screens. Hey, how you doing? Oh, the sewing machine for the wife was no good. Let's unstrap this. Yeah. Short run today. Not too much. Just about enough. Just gotta have an empty truck for tomorrow. Let's get this one out of here. Alright, we gotta get up. No matter what. Let's get up here and take all this stuff out of here. Let's unbuckle. Watch it, watch it, watch it. There we go. All right. There you go. There's another one. Alright, we're gonna keep this. Throw this out. There we go. Oh my goodness. Keep that there. Get the bike off of here. Hang the bungee. You don't lose it. Hang the bungee. Hang the bungee. Let's not forget it. Yep. like it when they're around like that. I don't know. It's not scared, but it's just, I don't know. I know they're paying attention, but still. Excess clean truck. Yes. All right, come on, let's get out of there. Barbecue ash. You know what, let's just get rid of it. Forget it. Let's keep that one. I don't feel like dealing with the other one today. Yeah. All right. Not bad. What else we got here? Come on. No. Can't stay in the truck. We gotta go. All right. Let's roll. We are done. All right, let's go. Let's go see the young lady. Like I said, it was a short trip. Not too much out there. Can always be a lot, but enough. There was enough, so. We got some aluminum. Oh. I can't go back for them. The shades or whatever that was. Yeah, that doesn't make a difference. It's all right. Let's go see the lady.
Okay.
What's going on, boss man?
It's two-wheel drive, right?
Yeah. As long as it's not gonna mess my shit up, I don't care if we change anything. I just need my truck. But I'd much rather have the one that's supposed to go in.
And you're saying you didn't see any Silverados?
No, there's a whole bunch of Silverados.
Yeah.
I just couldn't find the right year with something that wasn't a drum brake.
Right. So you're
look
drum
out.
brake found him one.
I mean,
There's
disc.
There's
Everything
disc.
Yeah.
That could be a problem for an 02.
Yeah,
A lot of the 02s did not have.
He was saying that they both told me the one, the brown one, right through the right. As soon as you go through, there's a brown one right here on the left. It looks older, but they both said that the rear one matched. It was the other guy.
Can I have a copy also, please?
Next one.
Thank you, buddy. Okay, well, it was a short one. Not too much today, but enough for almost truckload. 420 pounds, 4.5 cents a pound, $18.90. $18.90, not bad. About 2 hours worth. No problem at all. All right, so again, like, comment, any comments. I haven't been getting a lot of comments, but there's no need to beg. There's just if you like, if you want, you can comment, share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I got a lot of videos coming up. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, you're always along the trip with me. See what we can find. See what people throw away in the dumpsters on the side of the road, garbage day. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe. God bless.